Welcome to Learn to Crochet with Daisy. In today's lesson, we will learn how to make slip stitches and how to fasten off your work once you are done. The most commonly used abbreviation for slip stitch is SLST, and this is the symbol. It is just a dot. Now I have here with me 3 rows of 10 daisy. As you can see, I'm using a different yarn today. This is Naco Sport Wool, and I'm using this with a 6.5 mm hook. To make the slip stitch, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now pull this loop through the loop on the hook. Let me show you again. Insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now pull this loop through the stitch on the hook. So I have reached my very last stitch. So here I am. So now to fasten off our work, we need to chain 1. Now cut off this yarn. Now we have to pull the loop up or out and tighten it. So this is how you fasten off your work. So this is how we make the slip stitch. That's it for today. Keep practicing these stitches, and in the next video I will show you how to change colors, attach new yarn and weave in your ends. Happy hooking!